Hello friends, so in today's video we are going to see recursive program to reverse a linked list. Okay, as you can see here, this is a definition of node of a linked list. So before writing program, let's understand the logic, how we are going to do it. So this is our linked list. So to do it recursively, we will have two pointers. One will be previous and another will be current. That is, if suppose I am at node 1, then my previous will be null and current will be node 1, address of node 1. So what we are going to do in recursive way is, first of all, we will traverse this linked list and reach at the end of linked list. And after that, when we have reached at the end of the linked list, we will start shifting pointers, that is manipulate pointers. And like this, we can do the reversal of linked list using a recursive way, as we can do it. Now let's write a program to do it, and after writing of the program, we will see how this program will execute. So, what will be the return type here? Reverse recursive. It will to take two pointers. Struct node star previous, struct node star current. Okay, and first of all, what it will do a if check. If current, then it will make a recursive call to reverse recursive. Okay, and what it will do? It will update previous and current dot link, and in next line it will make current dot link to previous, and after that we will write else condition. And else condition, what we are going to do, that is, we have reached at the end of linked list, and after that we will make head point to previous node. Now let's see how this program will execute in memory. Suppose we call reverse recursive function reverse recursive function using null and head, and see what will happen. When we will call reverse recursive using null and head, current will be head, that is current will be equal to 100. Okay, so if current, this will be true and this line will be executed, that is a function call will be made to reverse recursive current. What is our current right now? Head, that is 100, and current dot link is link part of the node starting from memory address 100, that is 200. That is, a call will be made to reverse recursive 100, 200, and this line will be on hold for this particular function. Okay, now see what will happen when the function call will be made to reverse recursive 100, 200. So when this will be called, current is equal to 200. So if statement will be true, again the control will come in this line, and reverse recursive current, current dot link will be called. What is current now? 200. That is reverse recursive 200, current dot link, that is link part of node 2, that is 300. And once this function call will be made, this will go on hold, this line, until we get return from this function. We will return from this function. So once this function call will be made, it will come for execution, and here current is equal to 300. So if current, so it will be true, it will execute this line, it will again make a function call to reverse recursive 300 comma current dot link. Current is 300 and what is its link part? 300's link part 400. So, and for after that this function call will be made and this line will go on hold. And once this function will call comes for its execution, what will happen is again current is 400. So this statement will be true and this check will be true and a function call will be made to reverse recursive and current is 400 and what is current dot link? Link part of the node starting from memory address 400, that is null. So when this function call will come for its execution, this statement will be false and it will come in else part. And else part what is there? Head is equal to previous. So as you can see here, head was pointing here and now head will contain the address of previous node, that is head will be equal to 400, which means head will start to point to this particular node. Okay, and once this line will be executed, this function will go from the stack. After that, control will come to reverse recursive 300 comma 400 and this line will execute. That is current dot link will be equal to previous and what is current here? 400. That is link part of node which is starting from memory address 400. That is this thing will be updated to previous and what is previous here? 300. That is a link will be created between N4 to N3. Now once it will be done, this function call will also go from stack and meanwhile there will be a link between N3 to N4. And now see what will happen when control will come here. This line will execute. Current dot link will be equal to previous. What is previous? 200 and current is 300 and its link is 400. So it will be updated to previous. Now previous is 200. That means this link will start to point to this link and this link will be broken. And meanwhile there is a link between node 2 and node 3. As you can see here, node 2 is pointing to node 3. Now once this line will execute, this function will also go from a stack. And once this function will go from a stack, control will come to this function and this line will execute for this particular function. Here previous is 100, current is 200. So current dot link, 200's link part. That is this thing will be updated with previous. And what is previous? 100. So 100 will be updated here, which means node 2 will start to point to node 1 and this statement will be done. And after that, this function call will go from stack and control will come to reverse recursive null comma head, that is 100. So what will happen here? Current dot link, current is 100, that is head 100, okay, for this particular node 100. So current dot link, its link part will be updated to previous. And what is previous here? Null. So sorry, it is null here and it will start to point to some null address. So this is how this program will execute. And friends, if you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching.